It's always nice to learn from someone who has been in the trenches and to learn from the mistakes they may have made and the lessons that they've learned. My name is Landon Garrison, and I'm the manufacturing engineer here at STOBER Drives. This will be my 15th year here at STOBER Drives. STOBER Drives is an industry leader in gearbox drives and automation. We can be anywhere an electric motor is needed, and we can be anywhere that motion is required. My day-to-day job is to support all the machinists on the shop floor, making sure they have everything they need, solutions with any problems that they may have. My job is to make sure those guys are successful at their job. I decided my senior year of high school that I wanted to go into machine tool technology. I chose MCTC based on their machine tool and technology program. I started there and just fell in love with it. The machine tool program that I went through was a very good mix of classroom lecture as long as hands-on. Before I graduated high school, I was able to obtain an apprenticeship program here at STOBER Drives. The way that worked is I would come out here for 30 hours to work and to learn on the job running these machine tools. I was allotted 10 hours for in-class time, so I still had a 40-hour paycheck. I got to work with a journeyman here who had been in machining for 20 plus years, along with the classroom instruction. I got the best of both worlds. I know the partnership between MCTC and STOBER has been phenomenal. The Kentucky Fame program I feel is an excellent program. It's another extension of the apprenticeship programs that we're doing here. We have a few Kentucky Fame students here, and they've turned out to be excellent employees. His training was top notch, so I think very highly of the apprenticeship programs and the Fame programs. I owe my career to our local area technology center and MCTC. I wouldn't be here without them. When you love what you do, you really don't work a day in your life. So I was fortunate enough to find that in machining.